Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. If you hate being cluttered, then you are going to love this Squirrel Bedside Caddy.
If you're someone like me who hates having clutter all over their nightstand, wondering where your chargers are for your phone, for your watch, can't find your book, your cup falls over, meet the squirrel. It is going to change your bedside organization. It is this great little caddy that comes with a 9-foot cable that plugs right into it so you can plug in a USB and USB-C charger, and you can plug that in under your bed all far away so you don't have to have a plug super close to your bed, which is really convenient. I love that this thing keeps everything organized right next to the bed. I can have my phone, my watch, my remote, my book, my eye mask, my cup of water. Everything is right at my fingertips when I'm laying in bed and it's nice and organized. And this isn't just for your bed. You could put this somewhere like your couch, and just imagine having all of your remotes, all of your chargers, your glass of water, everything at arm's length right where you're sitting, and it is so convenient. It really is just the perfect companion to have in your space, whether you have a home, apartment, a dorm room. It is just such a great little tool.
So have everything you need within arm's reach, charging and organized. Get the Squirrel, you're gonna love it, and that's my point of view.